money on YouTube aside from YouTube ads revenue. First and foremost is by fan funding. When you create merch or courses or products on YouTube and you sell on YouTube shops on YouTube, I feel like that's when you hit like 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hour, or 10 million YouTube short views in the last 90 days and 365 days. And yes, you can open fan funding support for yourself and your fans can support you, and that's very, very easy. See, don't relent on making money from ad revenue. Ad revenue will come, but I feel like while waiting for ad revenue, you should also get into the particular ways of making money on YouTube. Second way to make money on YouTube is by ad revenue, obviously. Ad revenue from brands, or when YouTube pays you a certain percentage of the money advertisers pay to put adverts in your video. That's when you hit like 1K subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and around 30 million views in the last 90 days from YouTube Shorts on YouTube. And that's quite easy for some people, right, to hit 1,000. That's also my target, to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, so you can get monetized and make money from ads revenue on YouTube. But yes, that's not the only way to make money. You can make money from other ways. Like the third one is paid partnership and brand influencing for brands. Some brands are willing to pay you a certain percentage to put their advert in your video. You always see those labels that they put around here. I'll definitely put it in this video just for this video purpose. There's this thing called paid partnership that's above here, that brands always tell people to put in the videos, or whether creators always put it in the videos to make sure that the audience know that it's a paid advert. Mine is here is just a paid advert. This is just free, just for description purposes, but I'll put it on in this video just to describe what I mean. I might not put it on later on just to avoid misleading YouTube, because no one paid me for this video. Nobody paid me one kobo for this video, so I won't put it obviously. But yeah, paid promotions are that way to make money on YouTube, or paid partnership. Companies that I've seen that have done a lot of paid partnership on YouTube are companies like Skillshare. Skillshare has done a lot of paid partnership I've seen on YouTube. I feel like they might also actually hit me up one day, and I'll do paid partnership with Skillshare one day. But before you guys go, let me tell you what Skillshare is about. Skillshare is a company where you can learn over 1 million things from just one place. Skillshare is a website where you can learn about photography, art, video editing, writing, anything at all is available on www.skillshare.com. This is not a paid post, I'm sorry. They did not pay me to make this post, but this is what I think. So if you want to learn about anything at all, from writing to content creating to editing to photography to art to knowledge to anything at all, it's available on Skillshare. So yeah, go and check Skillshare out. This is not a paid post, but I wish they'll pay me one day to promote for them. Another way to make money on YouTube is by affiliate marketing. Example is always this tech products, right? If you go to tech products, after watching tech products video, they'll tell you like the links to all these products in this video are in the description. They know what they're doing that. Why they're doing that is so companies like that on Amazon, on eBay, or AliExpress might have sent them those phones to make a review for them, right? And when they do that, they attach a link in the description, whereby if you buy that particular iPhone 13, iPhone 14, iPhone 15 from that particular link in the description, then the creators of that video will also make a commission from you buying that product. Example is, assuming the product is sold for $1,000 and the commission on that video of them making that video and attaching that link is 10%, they will make roughly $200 per person that buys that product. If you understand what I'm saying, right? Then the company collects $800. To an extent, it's a win-win for the creator, because the creator will make money from ad revenue from the video and also make money from commission from the brand, which is affiliate marketing. And fun fact, a brand can also pay them to put an advert in that video at the same time while doing an affiliate marketing product at the same time. So it's a win-win for creators like me and you. Next way to make money on this YouTube platform is by Patreon. Patreon is a way, or is rather is a company that has a way of supporting its creators. People like Natalia, you know Natalia on YouTube, she doesn't get her videos or her audios from YouTube. She gets it outside YouTube. That means they are copyrighted. That means her videos are copyrighted and YouTube cannot pay her for her videos. And videos that the Natalia posts the revenue she makes are mostly going to the owners of the sound, right? So it's not her work. So Patreon is where a platform where her followers or her supporters are willing to can go there and pay her a certain amount just to support her. Example, Patreon, you can set your Patreon to like $5, $10, $20, and your fans from YouTube or TikTok or Instagram that like what you create and what you do, you want to come and support you there. But let me not lie to you guys, that's not a reasonable that's not a reasonable way to be on an income. Let me explain. If people don't support, you don't make money. That doesn't mean that people will not definitely support you, right? But living off from people supporting you is not a likable way or an eligible way to stay in the game for long. So I advise everybody out watching this video to go for ads revenue or go for fan funding. These two are important because fan funding obviously leads to ads revenue, and ad revenue obviously leads to fan funding. So I advise to go for fan funding and ad revenue. Paid promotions will come as long as you're creating content. Let's not lie. At the point you reach on YouTube or on TikTok or any social media and you go through your email on a daily basis, you see a lot of brands trying to hit you up, or trying to reach out to you if you position your well properly on the internet space, right? But at the point you reach, you start reaching out to brands and be like, I have a so and so way to promote your brand on my so and so platform. And yes, this is a way you can make money on YouTube, and I'll see you on my next video.